In today's childcare landscape, parents are seeking options beyond standard menu offerings. ChildFriendly understands this demand and offers the perfect solution. With ChildFriendly's menu customization feature, operators can easily set up and customize dietary restrictions via the Setup module. These are not necessarily allergies, but rather meal restrictions to ensure children receive suitable meal alternatives, such as a vegetarian dish when required. During registration, parents can select the dietary meal type restrictions that apply to their child. They also have the flexibility to update this information at any time through the parent portal. When it's time to plan meals and grocery lists in your daycare, ChildFriendly streamlines the process for your kitchen staff. In the Meals dashboard, easily plan your grocery list to account for dietary needs. Is your center looking to serve beef this week? Filter by prohibited meal type to see how many can be served beef or would require vegetarian. On the day of service, refine your plans to prepare and deliver the appropriate number of dishes by meal type to each room. Does the Sunbeam room require 22 beef and 2 vegetarian dishes? No problem. Cater to diverse dietary restrictions and efficiently manage grocery shopping and meal planning with ChildFriendly.